Okay, so after Ray has run, we can now evaluate our genome assemblies or the different assemblers that we used. So notice how we do ls here and we have five folders. We have five folders, each with the different assemblies that we ran here and the different assemblers and different defaults, and we want to compare them. We can use Quast. Quast is going to allow us to easily visualize and compare them. But we first need to get the reference genome in FASTA format, and we need to get it in GFF format. So we can just copy and paste this URL that I have here for you. Let me just get rid of these real quick. Okay, so here we have the protein. Here it is, FASTA format. We want the genome. Copy link address. List directory. Let's make a directory. Let's call it, let's see what I named it here to make things a little bit easier. Jenny reference. Right here. Make directory. We can change directory. And then we can do wget. Oh, go back here. Okay, genome. Copy link address. Paste this here. And we can put a flag output. And then let's just name it what I have here. Paste this here. Click enter. Now it downloaded. Reference genome.fna. Next, we can get the GFF format here. So we just go back here, look for GFF format, copy link address, wget, paste that there, flag, capital O, and then this time I named it no reference genome.gff. So paste this here, click enter, list. We have everything. Okay, so now we just need to copy and paste for Quast, and then it's going to run. Once it's done, then we can look at the output. Okay, so we have our output now, so we can go to the Quast, change directory, and then we're interested in the HTML, the report HTML, so we can just go to the folder that you have this directory in. Go to the projects folders, and then we just go to spades corrected, and then we go to corrected, and then we click on the Quast, we go to HTML, report HTML, and then here it is. So we have the spades default, spades careful, mega hit default, then we have mega hit, min count, and ray. So we're just comparing them, and then we have these colors that give us worst, medium, best. This coloring just to give you, just to help your eye differentiate between the differences. Okay, the differences might be minimum, they might not even be that significant, but it just gives you an idea. It's always up to your interpretation of the results. Okay, because the differences might not be that significant between each other. This is just to give you a visual aid to see what's going on. You can obviously take it off, but it helps you to compare between them more easier. Okay, so here we have the genome fraction. You can look at the individual features. I also have some good description right here you can look into. and it talks about the results. And just know that all these results, if you ever forget what these are talking about, what they mean, you can highlight each individual one and read them, misassemblies and all that. But in the end, we're going to take Spade's careful run, this one right here, this middle one, and we are going to take it and we're going to use it in the next tutorial, which is where we will do the sequence analysis of hypothetical proteins. And that's the end of this genome assembly tutorial.